Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 1 minus 8 is equal to minus 7. Then again 1 minus 8 is equal to also minus 7. Now minus 7 multiply minus is equal to 49. Okay, but this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division, fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. So, according to the rule, first we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay. So 1 minus 8. Now solve this parenthesis. 1 minus 8 is equal to minus 7. Now here is subtraction and here is multiplication. So according to the PEMDAS, first priority is multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction. So 1. Now 8 multiplies 7 is equal to plus 56. Okay. Minus 8 multiply minus 7. So plus 56. Now 1 plus 56 is equal to 57. Okay. So the correct answer is 57. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. And do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.